dear viewers, how are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So welcome back again on my YouTube channel. Once again, I collected with another amazing, beautiful ideas, all our girly rooms decorating ideas. How you guys can make this type of penthouse on your homes, and it will look so amazing. Different type of amazing, beautiful designs and ideas you guys will found in this whole video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon too for the notification of all my latest videos. Will never miss any video, and give me your reviews, your positive feedback in the comment section, which will be really helpful for me and motivate me actually to bring more amazing beautiful collection for you people in my upcoming videos. Hopefully you guys will love my all collection and designs. So I will be back again with my another amazing video. Just wait for my next video, and thank you for watching this